Okay, what is scientism? Scientism is the belief that science is the only way to know truth and problems. So, mao na siya ang atong gituuhan or mao na siya ang giingon sa scientism is the belief that science is only way to know the truth and solve the problem kuno. Ilang giingon nga ang science kuno is the sole source of knowledge and truth. And then, it says the progress more technology, more invention, and more over nature. So, it says the progress more technology. Diba, nakaingon ta nga we are progress na po sa atong society kay through technology, and ang kana siyang technology is from science na siya. So, that's why kuno nga ni progress ta through sa science. And then, the problem is scientism forget about the ethics, values, and meaning, which science alone cannot give. So, maunang si Lewis or si C.S. Lewis as ni argue siya or ni against siya sa scientism because the scientism jud is focuses only the growth, the focuses only the wealth and power. Wala na siya nag-focus sa, or iyan nagikalimtan ang about sa ethics, about the values, or about the meaning. So, that's why it relates to human flourishing as reflected in progress and development. Now, why is it relates to human flourishing as reflected progress and development? So, progress is not just material things, right? Like what I discussed nga, ang progress is not just about the material things. Having gadgets, tall buildings, or fast machines does not always mean people live good lives. Dili tanan it's all about sa connected sa technology or ang kana nga mga butang is makaingon ta nga mao na siya ang progress. And then human flourishing, what is human flourishing di ay? So, ang human flourishing means living well with health, happiness, strong communities, respect for natures, and moral values. So, ang kaniman jud siyang scientism, if we follow scientism, di ba mao to siya ang human flourishing? But if you follow scientism, where is focusing only on things, wala sila nag-focus about sa human, like the human flourishing. Wala sila nag-focus sa atong living well, wala sila nag-focus sa happiness, kundi ang iyang gi-focus ana is things, growth, wealth, and power. Mao na siya ang scientism at wala na siya nagtanaw sa atong natures or wala na niya gi-control over nature. And ignoring what theory makes life meaningful. Wala sila nag-focus about anang atong gidiscuss sa human flourishing, kundi nag-focus sila sa power, nag-focus sila sa growth and wealth. That's why nga si Lewis as ni against good siya or ni argue good siya about the scientism. True development should balance science and technology with wisdom, justice, and care for people and the planet. So, mao na dapat no, true development should balance science and technology. Kay giingon pa ni Lewis nga, ang magic kuno and the scientism is the same ra kuno, na sila'y power, pero if dili nimo siya mabalance paggamit or kanang imo siyang i-misuse is mahimo gud siyang dangerous or maka-dangerous gud siya. Okay, si Lewis is na siya i-identify three core issues with scientism that threaten human flourishing. So, which is, mao na siya ang religion. Anong na-appeal man ang religion dira? Religion, both science and magic. Diba, ang religion is both science and magic can be seen extraordinary and capable of giving meaningful or meaning to lives. So, mao na siya ang religion kuno. Ang religion daw kay nasud daw dira ang magic o ang science kay sa una ra ba kay ang mga religion is ni-believe sila sa magic or sa mga goddess, true magic. And then the second is ni-believe sila anang mga magic nga mao na ilang gihimong sa spiritually tungod na sa science. Unya kay ato ra man gi-discuss nga giingon ra ba nila nga ang giingon baya dira nga ang science kuno is the sole source of knowledge and truth. That's why nga ang mga tao sa una even though ang religion kay nasud na ang science and magic. And then, credulity. Unsa man na credulity? Often believe that almost anything, if it is presented in the name of science, similar to how people one believe in magic without questioning. So, kana siyang gitawag nato nga credulity is sa mga tao bitaw even do nga wala gud sila mga enough evidences is mutuo na sila, mutuo dayon sila ana kay trust kung makaiingon sila mutuo din sila ana if kana kuno is naa sa science kay ilang gituuhan nga ang science kay mao gud siya ang way of knowledge and truth. So that's why ang mga tao mutuo na og magic, mutuo sila sa science nga wala bitaw sila like nangutana or wala sila enough evidences. And then power. Both magic and science can be used to seek power and control over the world, with modern science being far more dangerous. So, di ba, ang science kay naay power. And even though ang sa magic is naay power. O if kana kunong magic and the science, ang science, if dili na nimo tarongon og gamit, naa na sila limited. If ever nga imo na siyang i-misuse or dili nimo tarongon paggamit or di nimo i-balance, is dangerous good na siya. Due dangerous. Mao na ang giingon ni Lewis. So again, Lewis did not believe in scientism. He defined as the belief that modern science applies the only reliable method of knowledge about the world. Mao na ang iyahang believe ni Lewis. And that scientists scientists alone should dictate public policy and morality. He views scientism as a corruption of science. Mao na siya ang view or mo na siya ang point ni Lewis sa scientism kuno is a corruption of science.